This is how you earn the title of favorite uncle. And to be clear, this is something I take very seriously as I showcase my different engineering inventions to my niece and nephews. Sometimes though, when I'm running low on time and I need some quick ideas, I brainstorm with Gemini Live. Hi Gemini, my niece and nephew are coming over for a surprise visit. What are some cool ideas I could do with just stuff I have lying around here to really impress them?
All right, let's brainstorm. Fizzy volcanoes, mini catapult.
Let's do volcano, but it needs to be way cooler than the normal one.
Baking soda volcanoes are kind of basic. How about a citrus volcano? It might even glow under a black light.
Needs to be bigger. What if we use elephant toothpaste? And let's have it glow, but extra bright.
Let's scale this sucker up. Okay, here's your list. Hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, potassium iodide, warm water, glow-in-the-dark paint. Grab safety goggles for everyone helping out. Have fun.
Thanks for the input, Gemini. I made some tweaks. They're here. Grab your safety goggles and meet me by my workbench. 3, 2,
1.
And so thanks to Gemini, I'm still the best uncle ever.